Jumbo Explorers! Welcome to today's video, and guess what we're gonna do today?
Yeah, this is quite an exciting one. We're going to swim with some sea turtles. It sounds amazing.
So we have to shower before we go with no sunscreen just to protect the turtles, and let's show you!
Let's feed them.
Because after 1 hour, then they want to go back. And also,
This is so cool.
I think we can, yeah.
The shells are so smooth. Even the heads are so smooth. So many. These things are massive. Look at the size of these. These are such amazing creatures. Look at that beautiful fish with the blue. That is so cool. Oh, one small one. There's some food for you. Hey, don't bite me. There's food for you, man. There's another sneaky one. Don't fight, there's food.
So this is a sanctuary. When the fishermen accidentally caught one of these sea turtles in the ocean, they bring it here so they can help them grow healthy before they go back into the sea. So this is a sanctuary, not a breeding place for tourists.
The guy just gave us some extra seaweed to feed them. These creatures are amazing, so peaceful. Even though one or two have tried to eat my clothes. This is so cool to see so many of them together. I've never seen them this big in the ocean before. Ow! Don't bite me! Go away! Skippy's getting attacked by many hair of turtles. Oh, it's a small one. It's also having some lunch. So this amazing experience was 50 USD, but that included a transfer from our hotel to come here and back. We also booked this through Sun Tours, the local operator at our hotel, and we are definitely not disappointed. This is super amazing. Pretty cool massive fish here. Look at this small little black fish here. Some very nice beautiful fish here as well. And there's a lot of sea turtles, a lot. Probably at least 45 to 50. Hey, don't bite your friend.
You told it to me, ne?
The small ones are so cute. Just look at this tiny, well, tiny compared to the other. Yay!
There's so many.
Skippy is still being annihilated. There's so many.
Amazing is this?
This is super cool. The guy just keeps on giving us seaweed to feed them. We are one of the last people to come here now. It seems like all the other tourists have left. This is super cool. Some more seaweed. There you go. This hole that the turtles are swimming in is also controlled by the ocean through underground tunnels, so it's also affected by the tide going up and down, so they get fresh water. So yeah, we would say
The best time to visit is early morning or late afternoon. So we are here 4:30 and not much crowd. It's perfect.
yeah, we've heard from other people or seen it some videos that it can get very crowded if you come through midday, so rather come through the quiet time so you can have some quality time with all these amazing creatures.
So they also give you some seaweed, seaweed to feed the turtles. Just watch out, they can bite.
Yeah, it's crazy to think that between all of the sea turtles here, they eat 100 kilograms of seaweed every day. That must be quite a costly thing to maintain them here, but it's for a good cause.
Check it behind you.
They're just cruising around everywhere. This is super cool.
Where else will you get a chance to swim with sea turtles in a natural environment?
Exactly, this is
beautiful.
such an amazing experience. Look at that massive
wow.
fish. This place is really amazing. Guys, thank you for joining us on this once in a lifetime experience.
We'll see you in the next one.
Bye.